Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So in yesterday's video, we discussed till the question, what's the difference between condition class and condition category. So now let's get started for the further questions. Okay, so now I have received one more scenario based questions. It's not about SAP SD only, but it's not about regular standard topics. It's a scenario here. So they have given one scenario. Now I need to answer that scenario now. The scenario here is that this one contract. Okay, for example, 100 metric ton quantity has been maintained in the contract. Then sales order has been created for that 100 metric ton quantity. Order has been created and quantity also confirmed. Then a delivery has been created, but the delivery created for the partial quantity only. For example, the quantity in the order is 100 metric ton. Okay, and the delivery and post goods issue happened for 50 metric ton only. Then invoice has been created for that delivery. Now business want to see this data now in one custom report. So business want expecting us to develop a custom report. Okay, in the custom report, when they give the contract number in the initial screen, then they want to see the data like contract number, contract item number, and quantity in the contract, then order for the contract created, and quantity in that order, right? And then delivery for that order, delivery quantity for that order. Then we need to display that remaining quantity for what needs to be invoiced. For example, let me put this way. Okay, the thing here is that contract contains quantity 100 metric tons. Okay, order created with reference to this contract with 100 metric tons. Okay, delivery created for this order with 50 metric tons. That means partially delivered. So PGI has been done, and invoice has been created for this delivery as well. So now the business want to see this entire information in one custom report. So basically, the scenario based question relevant to the custom report only. Okay, so they want to in that output. So for example, if I execute one report, for example, VA05. Okay, let me log into other system. Okay, let me go to um, VA05N, and if execute, okay, if execute, you see I am getting the data now. This is the column, right? This is column 1, column 2, column 3, right? So now business expecting that they wanted to receive this data in the result, the ALV report. Okay, that is first column is a contract number, and second is that contract item, and contract quantity, and order number, order quantity, then delivery number, delivered quantity, then invoice number. Okay, so invoice number, and they want to see the remaining quantity. As I said, total is 100 metric ton, but the delivery happened for only 50 metric ton, right? That means still 50 needs to be delivered. So they want to get the remaining undelivered quantity here. Okay, so this is the requirement they want to develop on custom report. Okay, so whenever we get this kind of requirement, first we need to check with business that what input should be given in the initial screen. So when I execute VS05N, I see these many fields. This is input field, right? Based on the input field, if I execute, I will get the result. Data will be displayed. So for the same thing for this custom report also, we should check with business that what will be the initial field. So I asked the same question to the interviewer. What will be the initial fields in the selection screen? So this is called selection screen. Okay, and then I came to know that then the interviewer said that in the initial screen we should have contract number, sold to, and sales arc. So based on these three parameters, so and here contract number field is the mandatory one. Mandatory. This is the mandatory field for them, and these two are all optional. You see here everything is optional only in this custom report. Okay, so I asked this question. This question I asked to them. Okay, that is they told you to develop one report means we should ask them what is the initial field in the selection screen that we should add. Okay, these are the three fields: contract number, sold to, and sales arc that we need to add the initial screen. After that we need to write the main logic here. Okay, adding these three fields in the initial screen is not a big task. You can add easily, but to retrieve all the data, right? So if I input a contract number in the initial screen, if I execute, then based on the contract number I need to retrieve every data from order till invoice. How to get that? We need to write the logic. So we need to inform them, we need to mention the logic also to the interviewer as part of this question. Okay, the logic is that, okay, first pass contract number into, so in VBFA there is a field called preceding document. If I open VBFA, you see that. So VBFA, you see, is the preceding document. There is VBLV. Okay, so what we need to do? Pass contract number into VBFA, VBLV. Okay, then pass document. Okay, succeeding document category. Succeeding document category into, again, VBFA. The field here is that, so no need to mention this field name VBELV and VBTYP and Korean. No need to mention this. Just mention that field name, like preceding document, pass the contract number here, and the succeeding document category pass C. So here we should pass C. Why we should pass C here means to get the order number. So document category for order number is C only. Okay, that should be passed here. Okay, then retrieve all the order numbers. Okay, then pass order number to VBAP table and then retrieve quantity. So in VBAP table, there is a field called KWMENG. KWMENG. So in this field, we can get the order quantity. So pass order number to VBAP table and then retrieve quantity, that is VBAP KWMENG. Again, pass contract number to VBAP K, contract number to VBAP and retrieve VBAP KWMG. We need to display this, right? We need to display contract quantity also, right? So again VBAP. So VBAP used for both contract and sales order, right? This is one thing. And order quantity. So we retrieved this information as of now. Then we need to retrieve the delivery number for the order number, right? Again, pass order number to preceding document in VBFA field. Okay, VBLN. Again, pass this one and in the succeeding document category. Okay, then VBFA VBTYP underscore N should be J, capital J. So capital J is nothing but an outbound delivery. So by passing order number, we are retrieving the delivery information only. Okay, no, I don't need any other information. We need only the delivery data. That's why we need to pass this J to this field. If you want to retrieve order number, pass C here. If you want to retrieve delivery number, pass J here. Okay, now I need to retrieve invoice number for the delivery, right? Pass delivery number to preceding document in VBFA VBLN. Okay, then VB VBFA and VBTYP underscore N equal to capital M. Capital M means F2 invoice document category. After that, we need to get the delivered quantity, right? That we can retrieve from LIPS table. Okay, get delivered quantity from LIPS table by passing delivery number. After getting the delivery quantity from LIPS table, we need to subtract that. Okay, so order quantity minus delivered quantity equal to remaining undelivered quantity. So we need to apply the undelivered quantity, right? So to do that, we can get that we can subtract that order quantity minus delivered quantity. Remaining quantity will be updated in the this cell. Okay. Moreover, we can retrieve delivery quantity from either LIPS or VBFA table. Okay, if I show that in VBFA table, there is one field called LFMNG. Let me confirm you that. Okay, so you see the quantity. This is the field. If I go back and this is the field RFMNG. Sorry, RFMNG, right? With help of this field also, we can retrieve that delivered quantity for the delivery number wise. So we need to pass entire this logic to retrieve the data and display it here. This is the main logic that we should discuss and specify in the interview. If we say about this logic and all, definitely interviewer will be impressed with you and they will definitely make you to next level. Okay, once the report has been developed, then what we will do, we need to assign an authority object, assign authority object to the report and add create T code, right? Create T code to this report and share it with business. So assigning the roles. Okay, authority object and roles, and roles to the T code. Okay, authority object assignment should be done by ABAP team, and roles to the T code should be done by the security team. If you speak about this entire logic, it means definitely interviewer will be impressed with you a lot. So this is the scenario based question that you might expect. So to answer the scenario based questions, then we should have good knowledge about the tables, technical fields. If you know these things and all, and it's very easy to get clear in the interview. Okay, so one more question here is that flat file stored in system and how to check that. So for example, there is an interface. So that interface storing data in our storing the data as a flat file. In flat file is nothing but .csv format or text format. The flat file has been stored in our system somewhere. So what's the T code to check that flat file in the system? We have discussed about this concept in our channel also. So the answer here is that it's about A11 directory. So A11 directory is it A11 is the T code to access all the directory in the system. So in this directory, we can see that plot file will be stored in any one of the directories. So this A11 T code will contains several directory. So in any one of that in any one of that directory, we might see that our flat file. You see, we have so many directories are here, right? In any one of them, we can see our file. So this is the T code for that. Okay, fine team. Sorry, fine guys. We can continue in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.